So, one of my older cars got banged up. I decided to buy it back. The front ran into a trailer. The rest of the body and the interior look okay. Let me get rid of these trash parts real quick. That's better. I already know the battery's dead, but it will start with a jump. The ignition switch doesn't work to start it. Don't mind this nonsense. It starts and runs. That's what matters. I know the battery isn't good. Airbag didn't deploy. That is going to need some straightening for sure. This is the sketchy wiring for that temporary ignition switch. It's been running good for a little while now. Everything appears to work. I know at a minimum it will need a hood, hinges, struts, latch, bumper, headlights, fog light, battery, ignition switch, and maybe a radiator. The good is it has a newer engine, new suspension, and new tires. It also needs a deep cleaning, obviously.